Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I make math videos using 100% solar power. So I have no electricity where I am currently, zero, and I'm using this solar panel to make all of my math videos. So I'll leave links in the descriptions to this setup. So if you're trying to get a solar setup, this is like a complete newbie setup. So it's a solar panel, you can see it here, it's really cool. I got it on Amazon, and let me show you, there's some wires on the back. And this thing charges a device which is called a Jackery, and that thing charges my laptop so I can continue to make math videos using only the sun. There's no electricity. There's a surfboard. Let's keep going. And so you see the wires go inside this little camper. This is a 1969 camper. All right, let's go inside so I can show you where these wires go. Okay, so we're inside the little camper now, and I'm going to show you where the wires go to. So you see they come in from the camper and they go to this device which is called a Jackery. So this is something that actually holds power. It has a lithium battery and an inverter and a charger. And you can see right now it's buzzing. It says input 3 watts, output 21. That's because I'm currently charging the lights, running the lights in the trailer with this thing. Let me hit display here. As you can see, it's currently at 100%. So this thing has a plug. You can see currently the trailer is plugged into it. So I plug my laptop into this, and then I can charge my laptop and then use the sun to do all of my math problems. So pretty cool. It only takes 3 things. It takes a solar panel. Let me hit this button again so we can see it. It takes this Jackery, and I actually have a 20-foot extension cord that I run. So with those 3 things, I can recharge my laptop pretty much forever. And where I'm currently now, there's almost like no sun, and even with very weak sun, I can recharge everything and there's no problem. So it's a really awesome setup. And again, I'll leave links in the description in case you want to check out this solar powered stuff. So kind of a cool thing. I think it's cool to use the power of the sun to actually power my math videos. Really interesting. In fact, the camera that I'm using to record this video, this is just a GoPro, so I can charge my GoPro using this Jackery thing. So really awesome.